This protocol helps researchers investigate distraction while multitasking in a visual search environment. For example, say you're grocery shopping and you're looking for a red pepper. When you apply attention to this task, you enhance the processing of all similar items, such as everything that's red. As a result, everything red will capture your attention and slow down your search. Now suppose you have more than one item on your grocery list, such as a red pepper and a yellow pepper. To look for more than one item at a time, the processing of information relevant to both items will be enhanced. How does distraction affect multitasking search? Our protocol addresses this question. To investigate this, we asked participants to search a rapidly changing central display of colored letters and identify all the letters that appear in either of two particular target colors. Occasionally, the gray letters in the left and right displays will change colors, which is distracting. In this slowed down example, there's an orange U target and a green X target. This method can help answer key questions about visual attention, such as how search goals are maintained and used in memory, and what are our limitations of multitasking. A major advantage of this technique is that the task produces large effects, providing researchers with the flexibility of measuring nuanced aspects of distraction.
This technique extends towards applied questions such as how do radiologists search medical images for abnormalities or how security officers search bags for contraband.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Jaimie, Jasina, and Ariel Kershner, undergraduates from the Attention, Memory, and Cognition Laboratory.
Before beginning the experiment, select the trial types and the number of